Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to crochet this beautiful butterfly cord for heirloom mask adapter. So don't skip any part of this video. If you are new to my channel, klik push the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. To make these beautiful butterfly cords, you need to have yarn, a crochet hook, 2 buttons, the upholstery needles, and a pair of scissors. To begin, create a slip knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make double, triple crochet on the first chain. Grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, and yarn over to complete all the double triple crochet. Now chain 5, then make a tiny pop stitch on the second chain from hook. Then slip stitch on each of next 3 stitches. And 1 more slip stitch on the chain space. Now I'll be showing you how to crochet the left wings of the butterfly. I begin with chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 2 quintuple triple crochet. This quintuple triple crochet is made by twisting the working yarns to the hooks for 5 times, then release the yarn through 2 loops for 5 times as well. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then complete the stitches. Make a picot on the top of it. Make another quintuple triple crochet by twisting the working yarns to the hook for 5 times. Grab the yarns and release the yarn through 2 loops as much as 5 times to complete this stitch. Like the previous one, make a picot on the top of it. Then make 1 quadruple treble crochet. The stitch is made by twisting the working yarn to the hook for 4 times, then yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 4 times. And a picot on the top of it. The next stitch is a double treble crochet. The stitch is made by twisting the working yarn to the hook for 3 times. Grab the yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and do it for 3 times as well. 1, 2, 3, complete. And a picot on the top of it. Make another double triple crochet with a picot on the top of it. Repeat the previous pattern. The last one is treble crochet and a picot on the top of it. Treble crochet is made by twisting the working yarn to the hook for 2 times, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops again to complete the stitch. Then make a picot on the top of it. Chain 3 and slip stitch through the chain space. Okay, now the left wings of this butterfly is complete, so I'll be showing you how to create the right wing. Now let's start. The right wings of this butterfly is made of the reverse patterns of the left wing, so it starts with chain 3, 1 triple crochet, 2 double triple crochet, 1 quadruple triple crochet, and 2 quintuple triple crochet, finally completed with chain 7 and a slip stitch. Look at the written pattern I provided in this video and create it accordingly. Then chain 5 to make the right antenna of the butterfly. Finally, make a slip stitch here. Chain 3 and 1 double crochet. Make another chain 3 and 1 double crochet. Then make chain 4 and 1 triple crochet. Then follow the previous pattern to create another butterfly. Be sure you repeat these patterns until you get the desired length. I made 5 butterflies. 5 butterflies are suitable for mass adapter. Each butterfly is connected by 2 rows of double crochet to another butterfly. Now, see on the bottom, and the butterfly cord for mass adapter is now ready.